How to log out in Gemini app. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see the Google account currently being used with Gemini. To switch to another account, simply select a different Google account from the list, if you have added more than one Google account. If you want to completely log out of your Google account from Gemini, you'll need to remove that Google account from your device. To do this, open your phone's settings, go to Passwords and Accounts or Users and Accounts, and select Google. Choose the account you want to remove, then tap Remove Account and confirm. Keep in mind that removing the Google account will also sign you out of other Google services using that account on your phone. If you only want to use a different account in Gemini, switching accounts from the profile menu is the easier option. And that's how to log out of the Gemini app. For more Android and Google Gemini tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.